Hey heroes, welcome to our next class, Class 12, the IY Challenge. Till now, you have been trained well to create blinking eyes, glowing arc, you have learned to fire lasers and even rainbow reactors too. But it's your turn now to prove your coding superpowers. Today's mission is a DIY challenge. So, are you ready? Let's recap all that you have learned till now. You have designed Ironman with blinking eyes and radiating arc lights. You have combined LEDs, controlled RGB colors, have applied laser effects and all-on power mode. Now, it's time to combine all your technical skills to solve some epic challenges. Here are few challenges for you. Don't worry, if you will stuck somewhere, I will give you some secret Stark solutions. Let's start. Here is challenge 1 for you. Combine chest plus eyes. Task to be done is you need to blink together chest arc light using pin D8 and eyes using pin D7 together in sync. Here is a hint for this task. You can use digitalWrite with the same high or low timing. Here is the solution code. Let's move to the next challenge. Challenge 2, Laser Burst Pattern. Your task is to flash the laser twice using pin D4 and then pause. Here is the hint, use 2 short blinks plus 1 longer pause. Here is the solution code. Let's move to the next challenge. Challenge 3 is Flying Launch Sequence. Here, your to-do task is turn on lights 1 by 1, D8, then D3, and then D7 like a launch countdown. The hint is use a sequence of delays. Here is the solution code. Let's move to our next challenge. Hopefully, you are enjoying this learning practice. Challenge 4 is Rainbow Reactor Pulse. Here, your to-do task is turn on RGB lights using pins D5, D6, D9 with color change in every 0.5 seconds. While arc D2 keeps blinking. The hint is mix RGB pins with alternating high or low plus arc blink. Here is the solution code for the last challenge of today's DIY. Alright, heroes, now you got your challenges, their solutions, and your creativity. Now, you can build your own effects, record them, and show them to your family members or classmates. Remember, coding is your superpower. And with great power comes glowing LEDs.